Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can be trading future trading. How you can be trading future trading on Bybit, okay? So if today is your first time of coming across my video on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell and then give me a comment, okay? Thank you. So in this future trading, I will be showing you how you can be taking your profit gradually. As in, when you place a trade, you are not supposed to close it immediately. This trading I'm about to show you right here is you have to keep close watch on it. It's not I'm not showing you how you can put stop loss and take profit automatic. It's just manual. The one you will be trading and you are using your hand to take the profit immediately. So that's what I'm about to show you. So first thing you need to do here is for you to check the market, how the market is moving. Okay, right here you see that BTC USDT, let's, as you're seeing here, right, the market prediction here, for me to show you, the market here is moving down. As you can see, the market is moving down. And if you want to place a trade, and some people don't know the difference between buy and sell, okay? So, for example, sometimes you might see long or short, but buy and sell here you are seeing here is because it's on spot trading. Well, I'm talking about future trading. So we're going to check future. So BTC USDT on future trading, as you can see, the market is actually going downwards. Okay, so here, right here, before you start place the trade, it's either you are buying long or short. As the market is going downwards, you are going to click on short. Okay, so right here, I'm not putting stop loss, take profit here. What I want to show you is how you can take your profit and instantly, how you can be taking your profit gradually without closing this trade. Okay, so right here, I'm going to use this amount of USDT that is here right now. So I'm going to click on short, okay, because the market is moving downwards. So if the market is going up, you click on long, okay. So right here, I'm clicking on short, okay. I just placed this trade right away. So as you can see, the market is not in my favor right now, but hopefully it's going to go. As you can see the chart, so let's see right here. Okay, right now I have a profit of $15. It's going down, but if you want to, let's allow it to go further. Okay, let's just allow it to move on. So the market is not in my favor, don't panic. Okay, all right. Okay, now we have $64. So when you want to take this profit, you click on close by and click on 50%. 50%, you click on confirm. So I've taken 50% of this profit. It's remaining 30 something percent, 35 USDT. Okay, so this is how you take your profit manually. The trade is still ongoing. Okay, now let's check on uh, Ethereum USDT. Okay, let's check on it. As we have taken profit from BTC USDT, now we'll check Ethereum USDT. Okay, so right here, let's study the chart. Okay, the market is going downwards also. So right here, we are going to click on short. Okay, I'm going to buy with this USDT here. Okay, so I'm not placing anything as usual. All we are going to do here is take our profit, taking the profit manually. Okay, so right here, we click on trade. Right here now, we are making $45. The market is not in our favor right here now. So okay, take the profit 50%, or if you want, again, if you want to take 70%, 75% of it, we have 10%, 25, 50, 75, 100%. If you take 100, you are closing the trade. So we are taking 50, okay? 50% here. So we are still in profit. You keep taking. You keep taking, okay? You keep taking. You keep taking it. And once you are doing this, always go to the chart and check the chart, okay? Don't be carried away, okay? Keep checking the profit. I'm closing this trade right here, okay? We'll go check the next one. I'm closing it entirely. At least we'll make some profit here. Don't wait for it to cut your money, okay? I'll close it 100%. Close it. The trade is closed, okay? So now let's check the next one, SRP USDT. So let's check the trade. All right. This one is the market. I don't. It's not stable for me, so I have to check the next one. So USDT. So USDT is the same thing with the other one. So let's check Dodge. Okay, Dodge is going down. Dodge is going down. Okay, so let's check this one right here now. Let's place the trade right away, okay? As usual. All right, here. Okay, now the market is not in our favor. Do not panic, okay? Do not panic. Definitely sure will go back. All right, let's take 50%, okay? All right, we're moving to definitely go in our favor, okay? All right, let's take 50%, okay? Yeah. So right here, we're going to, if you want to keep taking as much as you can. All right, okay. All right, I'm closing this trade because the market is not stable. I'm going to close it. I'll just wait for it to move in our favor and then I'll close it. All right, I'm closing it. Or let me take 50% of it more. Okay, keep taking, even if it is $5. We keep taking, okay? We keep taking it. We keep taking it. We keep taking it, okay? All right. I'm closing this trade here, right here now. 100%. Okay, the trade is closed. All right, guys, this is what I want you to know about. But in case if you're too busy to stay and watch your profit grow, you can as well set your stop loss and take profit, okay? So you can put your stop loss at this price. Let's say let's say 0.25, okay? Okay, let's go back. Put a 0.25, okay? So now you place on short. Okay, so now you can go wherever you want to go. You can go wherever you want to go. So whenever the market hits at your target price, it's okay, okay? They will just hit you off the market if they set your stop loss. Once it reached to that point, they will hit you off, okay? And here take your profit. When once it hits the market price where you set your take your profit, it will automatically trigger. Okay, so guys, this is all I have for you in this tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell, share with your friends and family. Okay, see you in my next video. Thank you. So guys, note that I am not your financial advisor. Whenever you want to go into any trade, please do your own research, okay? Make sure you research very well before you indulge in any crypto trading. Thank you.